show y'all how interesting gardening is. So yesterday I showed y'all my pinto bean plant and my green bean plant that I newly grew. Look at how they look like within hours, y'all. It's so crazy when you come out here and you check on the garden and they've already sprouted further than you would ever think. It's so awesome, y'all. That's why everybody needs to get into gardening. Look at the green bean plant that were previously grown that the cutworm got to. They have a cut where the cutworm ate, and still look at it. That baby blooming right there. It's so beautiful. And look at his sister. Look, got a bite out of her plant too, and still blooming, y'all. This is so awesome. So I also have an update on my potato plant. That baby growing too. Look at that. From a potato, y'all, that I had that got old in the house that I bought from Sprouts, the Whole Food store. That baby growing. Look at that. Now, I have 4 cucumber plants. This one is my most matured, but look at the babies, y'all. These are the new babies, and they're doing just well. Everything is growing just fine, y'all. I just wanted y'all to see. Even the zucchini is growing new leaves. This was just yellowed like days ago, and now look at the baby. Zuckerberger is doing just fine. It's so crazy how around about 12 p.m. when the sun is really shining, they start to stand at attention. It is so crazy. And about 1 o'clock, they're really standing. It's sucking up the sun. Look at it. It's so cool, y'all. Even this one, look. Hey y'all, so this is the end of my video. If you enjoyed what you watched, please like and subscribe. And if you'd also like to see more of me, please follow me on my other networks. I'll see you guys later.